morning, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. We're still here out on our test stand. Why we're able to test and tune anyway. We can't give dyno numbers, but again, all my horsepower has been verified many times over. I'm glad some of my customers are choosing to just let me test them and tune them. I can test them, tune them, check, make sure you got no leaks. They're going to make that horsepower. That is guaranteed. Again, this happens to be one of our 347s. Come out beautiful. We're running our Holly system, our Holly sniper system, and it's fantastic. We're actually running even the Holly distributor on this too also. So if you're interested in one of our custom built engines, give us a call. I'm going to fire this up and let you hear how it sounds. Hey, that's what a badass engine sounds like when you got just mufflers on them. Hey, interested? Give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Remember, the proof is in the performance. Thank you.